One of the skills we need to master with vegetable gardening is to learn how to start our seeds indoors. If you're growing African vegetables, it is even more important to learn how to start some of these vegetables indoors if you are in the diaspora. So today I will show you the basic supplies that you need to get started with growing some of these tropical vegetables from seeds indoors. Hello and welcome back to the place where we learn how to grow a garden and to grow our health. If we are just meeting for the first time, my name is YAJE, and here I teach people how to grow, process and cook tropical African vegetables, and I also share wellness tips for those that want to take their health to the next level. So today we are talking about seed starting, the basic supplies that you need to get started with seeds indoors. The first thing that you're going to need is to source your seeds. Decide what you're going to grow in your garden and then look for the seeds. The second thing that you're going to need is some container to start your seeds in. The container that you select to get your seeds started in should be very small. It should be small because we are going to be using a particular type of soil which can be expensive if you go select something that is very big. So what I have here are seed starting trays, the burpee seed starting trays, and these are just perfect because I really like the size. It's extra large, and it has the tray already, so it comes with the cells and the tray. It's reusable and it's easy to pop out the seedling. So once you have your plant growing in here, you can just push the bottom and the seed pops right out. And I also like this particular one because I can put this on the windowsill. So if I don't need to buy grow lights and heating mats and all of that, the windowsill is a perfect place to get my seeds started. This is another seed starting tray that I bought from Burpees. Not burpees. Hello. That exercise is getting into my head. Anyway, so this is from the same burpee company, same extra large and flexible, reusable, and all of that. This one I'm going to use to start something like my garden eggs. Peppers are perfect in this like single cell container. Something like peppers, garden eggs. If you're starting anchia as well from seeds, these will be perfect. Here's another kind of seed starting tray that I got. I got this one from Amazon from the Bootstrap Gardener. I really love this. I love these because first of all, the colors just give me life. Very bright and bold colors, which I love. I think I have about 60 of them. And the reason why I really like this is because unlike this one where we have like single cells, this one is bigger. This is perfect for starting things like water leaves, things like bitter leaves, things like sweet bitter leaves, where it's not just gonna be like one single plant, something that you're gonna be harvesting the leaves, if you know what I mean. These are just perfect. So imagine bitter leaves growing in here from seeds, your water leaves, jamso, things like that. So these are just perfect. You can also use this to start your peppers, like put 4 in there. So as you can see, it is shallow, it is not too deep, and that's because of the seed starting soil mix that we're gonna be putting in here. You don't want something that is too big, and then you're gonna have to use a lot of that soil medium. If you don't want to spend any money buying containers, you don't want to spend any money, you can just think outside of the box and see what you have around you. For example, these empty egg trays can make the perfect, growing container for starting seeds. See the individual cells? All I need to do is put some holes at the bottom, and this makes the perfect tray for seed starting. Just make sure that it is very clean and you don't have, stuff in there that might cause your growing medium to be moldy. If you want, you can buy garden gloves. I'm going to highly recommend that you buy some garden gloves. It is going to serve you in the garden big time. You know, when handling soil, manure, you just want to keep your fingers clean. You don't want to mess up your nails. Go ahead and invest in a good pair of gardening gloves for the gardening season. Another thing that you might want to invest in is seedling heat mat. And the reason why you might need this is because maybe it's too cold, and also because some seeds, like your pepper seeds, even garden egg seeds, they require some warmth to germinate. They require the temperature to be warm for them to germinate well. And so making an investment in this heat mat is a good idea. Again, I'm going to leave the links in the description box where you can get some of these things if you want to. If you don't have the mat, you can use a windowsill or an area of the house where it is warm to get your seeds started indoors. And last but not the least is your seed starting soil mix. I have done a video where I shared how to make this seed starting mix. If you would like, click on the YouTube card or look in the description box below to find out how you can make your own seed starting mix using just 2 ingredients. Do not go and dig up soil from the garden to start your seeds indoors with, because you're gonna bring along gnats. You're gonna have these little insects all over the place indoors. It is not good. The second reason why you don't want to dig up soil from the garden to start your seeds in is because that soil is too dense. The seed requires something that is loose for the roots to just easily penetrate through. So go ahead and invest in a bag of seed starting mix. You can buy from the stores or you can make yours. For more videos on how to grow culturally important African vegetables, how to process them, and how to cook them, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Before you head out, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Check out more gardening videos over here. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, grow a garden and grow health. Bye.